Which dog can outrun a warthog? A warthog runs at 48 kilometers per hour, and here's how popular dog breeds compare. Pit Bull, 45 kilometers per hour. Strong but not fast enough. German Shepherd.
Okay, let's go.
Up to 52 kilometers per hour, from Germany. Pit Bulldog, 25 kilometers per hour.
This is my life, man. Do you know how hard I worked to get here? I built it.
Not even close. Greyhound, 72 kilometers per hour, common in UK and USA. Fastest dog alive.